Hi, I'm Sneha from Excel. Let me show you how we can bring your brand to life.
Gives the brands the opportunity to increase their awareness to those delegates who are attending the overall show. It's the kind of wow factor when you arrive that you're part of that customer experience, that you're at a tech event, because you're familiar with some of those brands that are taking advertising opportunities within the venue itself.
We have made significant investment in our media infrastructure. One of the major enhancements includes the expansion of our digital screen network, ensuring greater visibility across high footfall areas with maximum engagement. We offer a comprehensive range of media opportunities to help exhibitors and organizers to elevate their brand experience. Our portfolio includes large format banners, digital screens, high impact digital totems, and innovative sponsorship opportunities.
We really want to be able to be that first brand that people engage with and see when they're entering the Excel for the show. So our branding presence here is huge this year, and it has been an incremental growth year on year. So many people approach our booth, come up to our salespeople, come up to me and say, hey, Sentinel One, you know, we've seen your brand, we know a little bit about what you do. Can you tell me a little bit more? So if you are trying to find your place in the market, you're trying to generate opportunities and ROI, you have to think about your brand awareness.